Lunar, do you like washi tape? Do you like washi tape? Do you like it? You like washi tape? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my washi tape collection. Let me know down below if you enjoy washi tape. I am kind of obsessed with it, and I actually have collected quite a few over the years. I have definitely pared down, but it seems like now my collection is building back up again. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be taking all of these with me to Japan. I just won't have the space, so I figured that I would show you guys everything I have now before I move, because I won't have most of these with me anymore. So hopefully you guys are excited for this video. If you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get started. So these are the larger MTs that I have. So this one is a little bit wider than the rest, and this is a little twin stars design that I picked up in the Tokyo Hands, I believe, in Ikebukuro. And then the rest of these are the standard washi tape width. So we have a pastel purple and a yellow, which I got from Jet Pens. And then some of these, I don't exactly remember if I got these online or while I was still in Japan. But yeah, I just have like this red pattern one, this gold and silver stripe, a grid pattern, which I really love and I want to get more colors of. And then this pink striped geometric one as well. I also have these, which are slim MT tapes. So I have a bunch of different ones. This is like a metallic pack. These ones are stripes. These ones are also stripes as well. These ones are, I believe these were like dots and lines. And then this other one was like a pinky themed pack. So I have all of these in addition to the rainbow MT slim ones, which I will be showing you guys in a little bit. And then lastly, in that first drawer, I just have these, which are the super slim ones. So I have two black ones. Then this one came as a pack. So this is 3 different kind of geometric shapes. I'm not too fond of these colors though, so I don't use these ones very often. And then we have these 2, which came as a set. And these 3 came together as well. I have quite a few Masute tapes as well, so these are just some of them. I have just a plain gray and black one, this geometric like dark blue, pink, and aqua, then this black and white pattern, and this one is really fun. This is a noodle dish washi, which I really like. Then I have these ones, so I have this black background with these X's on it. Then I have a cat themed one. Ooh, Lunar's just falling off. Are you okay, buddy? This one, which is a Japan theme, and then these next 2 are also kind of inspired by Japan. So this is kind of reminds me of like almost like a festival or like street food, and then taiyaki, which is one of my absolute favorite things. Then we have this blue row. So this one is like a galaxy and star. This one is like a nighttime view. This one is really cool. This is like an onsen inspired washi. And then this one is a Mount Fuji washi, which is super cool. And then the last row in that small drawer, we have this green washi that has shopping carts on it. Not sure why I was drawn to this one, but I thought it was pretty cute. This one, I believe, was supposed to be like a festival washi, and it's just like the rainbow splotches. Then this one here is manga inspired, so it has like the little speech bubbles and like noise words and things like that. So I think this one's really cute. Then we have a cherry blossom one here, and then this one is just a like nudish pink color and black stripe, which is really classy looking. These first 4 are all really cheap washi that I bought from Aliexpress. Lunar is shaking the desk. So this one is just like a girl, and then I mean I guess these are all kind of girl washis. And then this one, really cute. This one is like a young girl, and then sometimes her friends are on here. So this one is like a Japanese theme one. And then this one is more of like a fashion-y, like, I don't want to say hipster girl, but like almost hipster punk girl. So that one's kind of cool. They also have this one, which is from Aliexpress as well. So it's just like different girls with different outfits and things like that. Then we start into the JMK KA washi. So this one is, oh god, beauty routine, I believe. This one, I can't ever remember. There's just so many of them. This one is just like a girl. I cannot remember what this one is called. This one is diet plan. So like working out and eating healthy and stuff like that. Then this one is all about food. So everybody loves food. And then this one as well. So these two came as a set, so it's literally like the boy and girl version of the same washi. So on like the boy side, this is him playing basketball, and then on the girl washi, it's him playing basketball and she is watching from the sidelines, cheering him on. Then like they're both painting, caught in the rain, things like that. So this one is really cool for like, what? Luna is making all kinds of crazy noises today. So this one is cool for like almost like a couple type of thing, or I just really like the illustrations on this one though. Then we have some more JMK KA washi. So this first one is, after looking at it some more, it's like a convention type of thing, and she's spending all her money. She wants to meet the artist, things like that. Really, really like this one. This one is a chore washi. So this one's cute and functional, which I really appreciate. This one is Japan trip, so things that are reminiscent of Japan, of course. Onsen, my favorite thing. This one is, oh, I don't remember. It's just like a girl doing her own stuff, like carrying stuff for herself, fixing her own light bulb, drinking beer, that type of thing. This one, I don't know if, I don't think this one is the morning routine one, but it could be. But yeah, so just doing different stuff around the house. I guess this one could technically be morning routine. And then there's cat hair all over. And then lastly we have this one here. So this drawer is a little more random, but these are all washi that I picked up in Tokyo. So these first three here are Neko Atsume, and to be honest with you, I think the quality of these washis are terrible, but I still think they're cute, so I do just keep them around. So this one just has the different cats. This one has always been my favorite because it looks like little pictures like posted up on the wall with little push pins. I think that one is nice. And then this one again just has the different cats on it. These two are both from Kiki's delivery service. So this first one is a blue theme, and it just has like jellies and jams on it, and of course Gigi. And then this one is pink themed, and this one has Gigi with pancakes and honey and things like that. Super, super cute. These three here are a little different because they're actually shaped washi. So if I can show you here, it's not like a straight washi, it has like a cutout to it, which is really cool. So this one is Karasuno, this one is Nekoma, and then the last one is more of just a Haikyu in general. So it has like both Karasuno and Nekoma on it, and it's cut like that. So then we have the rest of my Haikyu washis. These ones are a wider washi. So this one has the little like circles with the different characters' faces in them, and then a volleyball every so often. And then this one is just a pattern with all of the different characters on it, which is really cool. And then these ones, this one just has the little pig. I believe that this is from the, I think this is supposed to be from the convenience store. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've never really known what this pig character was. Maybe I should go back and look a little more closely. And then this one has the Karasuno team members on it. This one is for Karasuno as well. Just has like the bird, things like that. Then we have this, which is, I think, supposed to be reminiscent of the battle at the garbage dump. So it has both of the teams there. Then we have a Nekoma one. This one is probably one of my favorites. And then we also have, this one is just Kenma and Kuro on it. So these first two are from different places. This is from an artist, if I can remember her name, I'll put it down below, but I think it's like I can't even remember it. I stalked this artist online for so long to try to find this because I love this little like gemstone crystal washi. I finally found it, so I purchased it straight from the artist, but I'll have to see if I can find her again. And then this one is from B-Side Label, and I picked this one up in the loft in Sunshine City. Okay, Winter just jumped off and knocked all the stuff. He's being so bad today. So yeah, I really love this one. These ones are all from AliExpress. So let me show you these. This one is like a food themed washi. This one is like a fashion girl one. This is different shop fronts, which is pretty interesting. This one is a what's in my bag washi. So it has like the different school bags and different like planners and things like that. Really, really like this one. This one is just a stationery themed one. So different planners again, writing utensils, things of that nature. Then I also have this large crystal one because I just love crystals. I need to use this more often if I'm being honest. From that drawer, these are the last three. These are all ones I picked up from Sakura Lala, and these are, I wish I could remember what, I think it might be Nihongo Flash Card. I think that might be the brand, and it's different Japanese foods, and they actually have the Japanese for it, and then it has an English description next to it. So I think that those are really cool. Very helpful for those who are studying Japanese. This drawer is a little more miscellaneous because it's all of my other slim washi that didn't really have a place. So these ones are, I believe, from Michaels. This one is a cat theme one from Sakura Lala. These two here are from Hobby Lobby. This one is from Michaels. I'm not even really sure why I still have that. I think it's because I don't have too many orange washi, so I just kept this one. Not my favorite though. And then this is one of the Sakura, how do you say it, Bande ones that come off just as single stickers. So these are really cool. I want to get more of these when I'm in Japan. The next row, these three are from Michaels. This was just like a metallic pack. I really don't use these very often, but I think it's nice to just have metallic washis just in case. Then I also have this one, which is like a search bar. This one is from Sakura Lala as well. Really cool. And then these four are all from Taobao. So there's like a sakura one, a gem one, a heart one, and then a strawberry one. I swear I had an ice cream one somewhere, so I'll have to find that one as well. And then we also have the remainder of the rainbow MTs from that pack, the slim pack from Amazon. So these are all of the leftover ones that aren't in my washi tape dispenser, which I will show you guys in just a minute. Alright, these washis, I believe that these two right here are from the marble watercolor set from Michaels that they released maybe like a year or two ago. These ones are really fun. This one, oh my gosh, I think this one might be from AliExpress, just like a plain grid washi. I love anything with a grid on it, so this one is right up my alley. And then I believe that these two both came from a marbly pack from Hobby Lobby. I no longer support Hobby Lobby, but I do really like these washis, so I'm sure that you can find something similar somewhere else. And we have this row here. These two are from a wood inspired pack from Michaels. I really like these. I wish I used these more often. And then these ones, I believe that most of these are from the set from, I think these are all from Michaels maybe. I've had these for so long I can't even hardly remember. And then these two are from definitely from the marbly pack from Michaels. These ones are stunning. I really need to use these more often. I love this purple one. So pretty. Because I love Halloween so much, I have a bunch of different Halloween themed washis. So this one is just a Scotch one. It has like a graveyard theme to it. This one is another Scotch one. It has like a gold spider web. This one is not really Halloween themed, but it's cat themed. And this one is from, I believe, Saria, which is one of the 100 yen shops in Japan. It could be from Daiso though. So from one of those, it was only 100 yen. And then we have two skull themed ones. This one was from Michaels. This one is from Scotch. This is an eyeball themed one, most likely from Michaels as well. Another Scotch one with candy corns on it. This one is super cute. And then I have these two thin ones, which I believe are also from Michaels. So it has like a spider web on this one and then bats on this one. I really love all of these. I love when Halloween comes around and I can finally use these again. And then here we have some more from Scotch. So all three of these are from Scotch. I really don't use these as much as I should just because they are a bit thicker than the other washies I'm used to. But I really do like this stripe pattern on here. We also have this thicker one from Scotch, and it's just a bunch of different cats. So, of course, I love this one, but I haven't used this in a super long time, but I just can't find myself to get rid of it. And the last in that drawer are these two, which are both Japan themed. I bought both of these from, I believe that these ones are from Daiso. So they have like the different places in Japan on it, and it has a little theme for each of those, which I think is so cute. I love this. I also have my little dispenser here, which I use all the time. These are definitely my most used slim washies. So these also all came from that Rainbow MT Slim Pack. I just put it in a dispenser from Michaels that used to house different washies, but I honestly may end up getting another one of these. I'm sure I can find like an empty one from somewhere else, but these are so convenient. I absolutely love this. And then these are all of the remaining washies that didn't fit in my drawers. So we have some JMK AKAs. Oh, here's my ice cream one here. And then I also have a little like gemstone one as well. So these are both from Taobao as well as all of these. So here's the first one. This one is very feminine looking, but I think that I'll definitely get some use out of it somehow. And then we have this one. I think this one might be the one that's called Live Alone, which is really nice. Then we have this one, which is like the giant sweets. So like the girl is kind of shrunken down and all of the sweets are like jumbo size, which is so cool. So there's like a little pudding. I don't know if that's like some kind of cake. Then we have this one, which is the comic panel one, so different scenarios. This one's fun. And then we have this one, which all of these names are getting jumbled in my head, but it looks like this. Then we have this one, which is definitely called Weather Girl. I know this one because it has all the different weather, so like fall. I don't know if this one's supposed to be like a summer. That one's just like regular temperature. This one, I think she has like a headache or something, so I'm not sure what season that's supposed to be, but this is really cool for depicting different seasons in your planner. And then lastly we have this one, which is Sweet Pursuit, and this one she's just drinking or eating a bunch of different sweet and cold things. So, or is this called Cold Pursuit? Oh my gosh, now I'm losing it. Whatever. So Starbucks, there's like a little popsicle thing there, a nice cold drink, a big sundae, a popsicle there. This one is really fun. Alright guys, so that is all of my washi tape. I hope you enjoyed taking a look into my collection. Let me know down below what your favorite washi tapes are. I'd love to check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to stick around for more videos, and check out my other videos if you haven't already. Thanks again so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye! Lunar, do you want to say hello? You want to say hello? Bubby? Say hello to the people. You're mad? He's mad. I love you. I love you, sweet boy.